Hi everyone, this is DDNZ. I got a new boat, so let's go have a look. So here is my true kit, Discovery 330. And I got Mercury 9.9 horsepower outboard. So let's go and we can talk a little bit more actually how I set up my fishing boat from the beginning. Okay, so just talk about numbers. You have three different sizes. You have 280, 330 and 400. I felt that actually 280 would be for me too small because you're carrying some stuff, your fishing rods, your bags, your chili bean. So I went 330. 400, it was quite big. It was a really big boat. So finally I decided for the 330. Length 330, beam 165, tube diameter is 480, inside beam 650. This boat is really light, it's only 36 kg. You can load, capacity is 500 kg. What I like about this boat is 2 seats, floor, high pressure air, 9 psi, chambers, true kit. I really like true kit because got 5 chambers, really safe. Recommended horsepower is 10, maximum is 15, but what actually you already know, I got Mercury 9.9 horsepower. Shaft length is short, what I got short, and color I got light gray. So this is just few numbers about my 330 Discovery. Okay, so we have done step 1. We talk about my boat. Now we go to step 2. We'll be a little bit talking about my fishing rods. So I got 2 fishing rods. One is a little bit older. The first one, this one is probably 4 or 5 years old, but still okay for soft bait. It's 3 to 7 kg, targeting snapper, kahawai and trevally. The second fishing rod is brand new. It's 10 to 15 kg, and you can actually catch on the fishing rod bigger fish, trevally, big snapper, kingfish. So this is just quickly about my 2 fishing rods. All right, step number 3. So now we'll be talking about my fish finder. Okay, I bought Lowrance hooks 4 times GPS. I connected to my 12-volt battery. I bought a plastic box. I drilled a hole through because I don't really want sea salt and splash on the battery. That's why always I put cover on the top, lock both sides, and done. Then I have connected to my sonar You can adjust, you can easily adjust angle or height, so you can go up and down, depend how you wanna have. So you can see easily, you can set up your fish finder on your inflatable boat. Step number 4. So now we'll be talking a little bit more about my chili bin. Why is so important chili bin for me? So I keep only 3 things inside the bin. I got my knife, my cutting board, and I got my bait, either squid or pilchard. So when I go on the water for fishing, what I do, I bring the sinker on my plastic bin, put it on my 2 seats, so the fishing rod actually is lying on my 2 seats, so there's no contact, any sharp hooks or anything else to my boat. Now I open the chili bin, cutting board, squid, put on the cutting board, take the knife, cut how much you need, straight away put your knife inside your chili bin. Then I'll take the squid, put on the hook, put it back to the chili bin, shut the top, and happy fishing, no damage. Step number 5, landing net. Why is important landing net for me when I'm fishing on my inflatable boat? Okay, so as you know, some of the species, for example like snapper, they have really sharp fish spikes, and you don't want to really damage your boat. So what do? I keep my landing net on the left on my boat. When I catch fish, I hold the fishing rod with one hand, second hand get the landing net, get the fish, put the fish straight away on the top of your plastic box and keep fish there. Don't move it on sides, otherwise the fish can make some damage what you actually don't really want. Step number 6, so we're going to have a look what is actually inside my front box. So what I got my sunglasses, I got my life jacket. This is very important when you go fishing. Always wear your life jacket, always. It doesn't matter if you're a good swimmer or bad swimmer or who you are, always take it with you. I got waterproof case for my mobile, and I got my radio. Make sure your battery is fully charged, otherwise just waste the time. You can check the weather or any other issues around you. You can listen to other people, the other boaties, what actually they talk about. Sometimes it's quite fun, sometimes not. Second time when I took my boat, it was emergency call, and some person it was few people sailing, and I heard they asked for help because one person overboard. So it was quite sad, and yeah. So that's why I'm saying always take at least two different devices, either radio, so you can have radio and your mobile, so you can always ask for help because you never know. And look, second time I was on the water and it was already emergency call. Okay, so this is about step 6. So I just put it back inside my box, and when I go fishing I don't have to look for that. Step number 7. So I just talk a little bit about my motor, Mercury 9.9 horsepower. I'm still under 10 hours. I have done probably, I don't know, maybe 6 hours, 6.5 hours. So I'm still waiting for the first oil change. I can't do much. I can just go slow, and as you know, more you running your motor, then you slowly increase your speed until you get the first oil change, and then you just go normal. So this is about my brand new Mercury 9.9 horsepower motor. So if you have any questions, just subscribe down below and we can talk. Thank you for watching.